grass over here because it's a bit dry. We might need a little trim with this MTD Yard Machines Briggs & Stratton 4 horsepower quattro lawnmower. So it has gas. I primed it because now every time I'm doing a lawnmower video, I'm warming up the engine just so it starts first pull. So let's get into the snow. So handle down and pull the cord. Video of me cutting some grass with this MTD Briggs & Stratton 4 horsepower quattro lawnmower. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.